Applications in harsh environments require ingress protection against dust particles and splashing water. SCHURTER covers this demand with a new IP54 IEC connection. The new IP54 family achieves this protection level by special sealing elements. It is perfectly suited for cleaning use cases or environments where loose materials are blown around or liquids are splashed. IP54 solutions are ideal wherever dust or moisture endangers hygiene and safety regulations. This applies to medical and industrial equipment as well as to energy applications. Possible examples are cobalts in food processing or the power feed for laboratory devices. The new SCHURTER IP54 family includes the Type 6080 appliance inlet and the corresponding V-lock power cord sets. SCHURTER. Safe and easy.